Please adjust the mounting position of the stud and the extension size of the chuck according to the size of the object. Place the bracelet onto the stud. Rotate the screw to let the stud prop up the bracelet. Open the protective lid. Adjust the machine height and secure it with screws. When connecting an AlgoLaser Delta or Pixie laser engraver, please pick the B connection cable. Insert the connection cable, plug the narrow end into Pixie, and the wide end into Rotary Chuck. Rotate the Z-axis knob to adjust the laser focus distance. Measure the circumference of the engraving object. Click on Settings, then select Machine. Choose the working mode and switch to ARC Chuck mode. Enter the measured item circumference. Return to the home page. Click on Projects, then SD card. Select the image to be engraved. Please note that the image orientation should be adjusted in advance. Click on Materials, then select Pure Aluminum. Choose appropriate engraving parameters according to your engraving needs. Adjust the size of the image. Click the Frame button to view the engraving area. Click to start engraving.